you're probably thinking, what are QR codes good for? Well, it's like a shortcut for getting people to your website to buy your product. So if you pop it on a business card, you can send them to a freebie opt-in and get them on your mailing list, or send them to your website. You can use the QR code to send them to your shop to buy, say, a florist, a bunch of flowers that can get home delivered. Have your QR code on your shopping bags, on a poster that's randomly placed somewhere in your business or anywhere. So without further ado, I'll show you how easy it is to do. So the first thing we want to do is grab up the type of document or a business card, which I'll do for this demo. So I'll type in business card, and then you see all the templates that come up. But I've actually grabbed a template, I think it was from here, and I've just quickly made my own mock-up business card. So if, just say I want to add the QR code here, what I do is, I'll get rid of my little thing over here. You go right down to the bottom on the left-hand side, and you'll find three little dots that says more. So when you click on that, QR code will be in here. So I'll click that on. So now what I want to do is, if I meet someone, I say, yeah, come and grab my, I do, load of no-cost marketing. If you'd like my freebie templates, just flip over on the back QR code and you'll get them straight away. And so what you need to do is, it wants you to enter the URL. So I'll go to my freebies page, copy and paste the URL, stick it here, and generate code. So I just want to make sure it goes on the back, and there it is. And so all they have to do is scan with their phone. It'll take them directly to my freebies template bundle, and they can log in right then and there on their phone. So the other thing I thought, you probably, you can apply this to a flyer or anything that you want to hand out physically, or even on a PDF. So the only other thing I'd say is go to share and download it as or anything really, but just say you go PDF print and download just the second page, because that's actually the back of the card, and just print it out, or do a small version of it, print it out and just scan it on your phone, just to make sure that it actually really works and goes to your website. Or if you'd rather, you can add a picture of your freebies next to the QR code to make it even more compelling. I hope that's helped, and give QR coding a go.